Okay? Um, it governs the blood and controls the vessels. It houses the spirit or the shen. It opens at the tongue. It manifests in the facial complexion. Emotion of the heart is desire and joy. Okay? Uh, it governs the blood and controls the vessels. Heart is responsible for circulating blood throughout the body. It depends on lung qi for this function. Okay? Kasama niya yung lungs. Okay? Lung qi. Lung qi needs heart blood to be nourished. Qi and blood must be in a harmonious balance to guarantee regular heartbeat. Okay? If heart is strong, if heart qi is strong, vessels are healthy. Pulse is regular and in harmony. Okay? It houses the spirit or the shen pa rin. Heart houses the spirit. This means the heart is the seat of consciousness and mental activity. Remember po. Heart depends on supply of sufficient yin and yang to give the spirit a surrounding in which it can flourish. Okay, kailangan niya yun. Heart possesses abundant yang but little yin. So that it is especially susceptible to yin deficiency. Yan yung karamihang nagiging sakit, yin deficiency. Okay? It houses the spirit or the shen pa rin. Yin deficiency causes the spirit to be deprived of its dwelling place. The spirit becomes restless. Okay, hindi nakakatulog. Okay? Blood is root of the spirit. It surrounds and anchors the spirit so that the spirit is at peace and can be happy. Okay? Heart blood deficiency causes the spirit to be restless. It leads to depression, fear, excessive dreaming, and insomnia. Yan yung cause. Kaya, unrest, depression, emotional problems affect the heart and lead to heart blood deficiency. Okay? Manifest in facial complexion. Health of the heart is reflected in the face. Facial complexion depends on the state of qi and blood. Okay? If there is enough blood and if the heart is strong, the face is rosy and shines. Ganda ng feature niya. Okay? Facial complexion is a sign of qi deficiency or blood deficiency. Okay, remember. Blood stagnation manifests in bluish-violet facial complexion. Okay, tandaan po nyo, blood stagnation. A red facial complexion is a sign of heat or heart fire. If the heart or other organs are the root cause, it has to be clarified by further examination. So, yan, kailangan. Okay. Health of the spirit is reflected in the eyes. Pale, dull eyes show a disturbance of the spirit. Okay. It opens at the tongue. Heart governs tongue, including the color, the form, and look of the tongue, particularly the tip. Remember. When the heart is healthy, the sense of taste is normal. The tongue can move normally and speech is clear. Okay? Disturbances of the heart can manifest as aphasia, tremor of the tongue, or impeded speech. Nabubulol-bulol. Continuous talking is a sign of disturbance in the heart. Yung pala yun. Emotion is desire and joy. Strong and excessive emotions, yung anger or jealousy, can lead to heat and damage the heart. Experience of emotions takes place in the thorax. Yung pala siya. Jealousy causes the pulse to increase and the blood pressure to rise. Nakapagkasakit pala yung jealousy. Emotion is desire and joy pa rin. The desire leads to heat and damages the heart. Desire is the absence of tranquility and peace. Okay. Being under time pressure can easily give rise to excessive emotion. Example, red traffic light can be a reason enough to cause an excessive emotion, which in turn raises the pulse rate and the blood pressure. Na high blood na kagad. Okay. I want is a root of desire. We all want to have certain desires satisfied. Example, buying a new car or to be successful in business. I want this, I want that. Okay. Goals are necessary in life, but it is important how we deal with our emotions and attachments, especially if we don't get what we want. Okay. Yan. We can only try our best and appreciate the driving force of desire to inspire us to work hard to achieve our goals. Okay.